Methodology discussion. Choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. 1. The teacher reads difficult classic early and he uses mother tongue. In this sentence, the teacher uses method. A. Or reading. B. Classical. C. Silent. 2. The student read the words by wrong pronunciation and his teacher didn't focus on this. Wrong, the teacher used method. A. Grammar translation. B. Suggestopedia. C. Oral. 3. The teacher makes the students reading the text. All the lesson, he uses method. A. Classical. B. Or reading. C. Natural approach. For yesterday, my teacher focused on the important words in the lesson. The teacher used method. A. Direct. B. Or reading. C. Classical. 5. The teacher chooses me and my friend to have conversation about pollution. His teach method. A. Direct. B. Or reading. C. Classical. 6. The teacher used the target language as a native speaker in the class. The teacher used method. A. Silent. B. Or reading. C. Direct. 7. Yesterday, our teacher was silent all the lesson. He gave us instructions about the text only. There. Teacher used method. A. Or reading. B. Silent. C. Direct. 8. This way named by relative silence of the teacher. A. The silent method. B. Classical method. C. Reading method. 9. Our teacher teaches English for us by songs and games. Their teacher uses method. A. Direct. B. Suggestopedia. C. Reading. 10. The teacher developed the pronunciation for students. The teacher used method. A. Classical. B. Direct. C. Suggestopedia. 11. The teacher elaborates on the script to tell anecdote or story. The teacher uses method. A. Direct. B. Or reading. C. Suggestopedia. 12. Our teacher gave us grammar but he focused on vocabulary. Their teacher used method. A. Direct. B. Suggestopedia. C. Silent. 13. The teacher writes a list of isolated words on the board. The teacher follows method. A. Direct. B. Suggestopedia. C. Grammar translation. 14. Our teacher explained grammar for us from simple to complex. Their teacher followed method. A. Situational. B. Classical. C. Direct. 15. This method depends on structural view of language. This method is A. Natural method. B. Situational method. C. Suggestopedia method. 16. Our teacher focused on grammar and vocabulary. Their teacher used method. A. Oral. B. TPR method. C. Situational. 17. The teacher starts the lesson by commands. Example, the teacher used method. A. Total and physical response. B. A grammar translation. C. Direct. 18. In this method, understand precedes the written. Mention this method. A. Suggestopedia method. B. TPR. C. Classical. 20. The teacher prevents learners from errors. During the lesson, the teacher follows method. A. Audiolingual. B. Oral. C. Both. 21. The teacher must be proficient only in the structure. Vocabulary activities are carefully controlled. The teacher follows method. A. Direct. B. Oral. C. Reading. 22. The teacher used Simon Says with the learners as a game for learning. The teacher used method. A. Direct. B. Oral. C. TBR. 23. The teacher makes the children learning the language as they learn their tongue. The teacher follows method. A. Natural. B. Total physical response. C. Direct. 24. The teacher didn't ask the learners to produce language immediately as they usually go through a silent period. The teacher follows method. A. Oral. B. Suggestopedia. C. Natural. 25. The teacher corrected the errors in a non-threatening way. The teacher used method. A. Community language learning. B. A. TPR. C. Natural. 26. The teacher helps the students, then the students learn by themselves. The teacher follows method. A. Audiolingual. B. A. TPR. C. Community language learning. 27. The teacher gives instructions for the learners by native language during the lesson. The teacher uses method. A. Clerical. B. Direct. C. Community language learning. 28. The teacher is interested in reading and writing more than listening and speaking. The teacher used method. A. Cognitive. B. Audiolingual. C. Direct. 29. The teacher considers the errors as a natural part from lesson. The teacher follows method. A. Communicative. B. Natural. C. Audiolingual. 30. The teacher makes the students speaking all time during the lesson. The teacher follows method. A. Audiolingual. B. Cognitive. C. Dominant. 31. The teacher uses authentic materials in the lesson. The teacher uses method. A. TPR. B. Dominant. C. Cognitive. 32. My teacher gave me a present because I answered the question. The teacher follows. Theory. A. Society learning. B. Cognitive. C. Behaviorism. 33. The teacher punished the students because they didn't do their homework. The punishment symbolized. Theory. A. Society learning. B. Behaviorism. C. Cognitive. 34. The teacher asked students to reflect on their answers and explain how they come to their conclusion. The teacher used theory. A. Cognitive. B. Behaviorism. C. Society learning. 35. The teacher asked the students to gather their ideas and work in groups to answer the questions. Their teacher used theory. A. Society learning. B. Cognitive. C. Behaviorism. 36. According to the teacher, learning is interaction. Building on what the students already know, the teacher follows. Theory. A. Society learning. B. Constructive. C. Behaviorism. 37. The teacher has put something in water bowl, and that thing has sunk in the bowl. The students have noticed and asked the teacher. Then the teacher has let them concluding why that thing has sunk in the water bowl. The teacher follows. Method. A. Oral. B. Scientific method. C. Behaviorism.